I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call you and say where you at, already know what time it is. What to win, I turn my back. So many man get scarred for life, so when I'm outside, don't know, I don't lack. Ain't gonna lie, I watch the dime, but I hit them hoes too, though I admit. Me and this bread get along too well when I put in this fit, I feel like him. You want my attention bad, but I ain't the guy that I was before. I heard them stories about you, there's no way I'm hitting it raw. You don't wanna get misled, you wanna feel secure. Can't even lie, you're cool when you wanted to fuck the
There is a life I lead in this city.
So just finished up an awesome morning run with another founder of an awesome agency called Alota. Had an amazing time, captured a lot of insights from him. Overall, maybe not the most usual morning, but this is the way how I usually start my days. Get some electrolytes in me, do a little morning workout to get my brain going. Usually I do work out alone, but this time I had an awesome opportunity to meet with another founder from Finland who is absolutely crushing it. This is a pretty busy day. I have something planned for every hour of the day, so we started early today at around 6:30, then we started shooting this video in the morning and going for the morning run, and now working pretty much the whole day and meeting with like-minded entrepreneurs, and then later on, actually, I'm going to be moving tomorrow to Milan, leaving the airport at 4:30 a.m. So it's a pretty busy day today to capture everything, but I'm trying my best so you guys can see how hectic life can be. Now I don't want to make my morning routine too long, so I'm off to work. I'm going to be, instead of me working here in the usual office, I'm going to go downstairs, grab a coffee, and work with some other entrepreneurs in the downstairs local coffee.
It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
The reason why I'm working here instead of the usual cubicle upstairs is because I'm meeting my good friend Lauri, who is the founder of Artsman Creative, absolute magician when it comes to content. So we have this partnership going on where I'm their client as well as they are our client, and we're going to be discussing our performance here today and just overall scheming about content, lead generation, our agencies, and how can we be better and optimize the results.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Okay, now the catch up with Lauri and kind of the coffee working session is done. To be completely honest with you guys, perhaps not the most usual day in the life, because usually I work out alone in the morning, and then as well I usually have meetings from morning till late afternoon or evening here at my workstation. But now I actually gotta focus on work, so I'm gonna be going to my workstation. Let me show you guys here. And just going to be having multiple meetings in a row from like 12 to around 4 till 5 p.m. I'm going to show you guys how that looks as well a little bit, so you can see what I actually do when I'm working. Finishing up the day, just had a lot of meetings. Time is about 6 p.m. right now, and we signed a new client, which is an incredible agency that has amazing case studies, and I'm so excited to sign them as a client. And overall, it's a super productive day, just trying to tick all the boxes before I'm moving to Milan, and I still have so much work to do. But now I'm kind of just finishing up the day, So the next thing would be for me to go to a sauna. I have booked it for an hour. Just relax, recover, especially when life can get kind of hectic and you feel overwhelmed. My favorite thing to do is go to a sauna. So let's go.